Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show underway. Let me get you a little bit of box action. Got a whole bunch of these in, as you guys can see. They're damaged boxes, so I got Dale's Custom Run. This pair is yours. I'm going to show you the box. They're not too damaged, but you can see they're bent up. But the main thing is that all the shoes are 100% perfect. I can pass the savings on. They'll be retail or below, depending on the severity of the box. But this is one of the most damaged. They're all about this damaged. You guys know what these are. I should have read it, but these are the Jordan 5 Retro Toro Bravos, aka the Jordan 5 Raging Bulls. I'll put the year in the video. I believe these came out in 2021. Everybody loves this shoe, including myself. I have 4 pairs. Haven't worn any. Might bust out a pair to wear. It's about that time. I think before this, I'm bust out a pair of Batmans to wear though. But like I said, you guys know the materials on this. All buttery, soft, suede. 23 on the back really sets it off. Red shark teeth. Everybody know the illustrious Jordan 5 bottom. Pure white. Totally clean. Woo! White mama jammin'. What's that supposed to be? Guys haven't seen my Jade Green Jordan 5 video. Go ahead and look on that video so you can see what the soles are going to look like in 10 years. 5 years. I start turn pitch yellow. You got to keep it in a low oxygen, low light environment. Moderate the heat, but I'll tell you guys about that later. See that 3M tongue lighting up? Woo! Like sword of omens. Get a little bit of 3M hits on the side coming through. White netting shining bright. I believe this shoe would have been even better with the Nike Air on the back with that black Jumpman set off by the red nubuck or suede. Looks awesome. Save this out of the shoe for last because this is where everything is that people love. Woo! 3M tongue shining still. 23 on the back of the shoe. Black and red stitching. Like I said, red shark teeth. Black background. Outstanding. Get you guys some top action. You guys know. Woo! Look at that chump, man, on that 3M, boy. Everybody went crazy for these shoes. Especially my friends out there that love red. It's a very popular shoe amongst them. And ready to rock and roll. You guys see what the shoe is going to look like when it's on your foot. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!